Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling switch control because that activates Apple's scanning system. It's the foundation. Open Settings, tap Accessibility, then Switch Control. Once there, turn the switch on and add a switch. You can pick external, screen, or camera. If you use Bluetooth hardware, make sure the switch is paired in Bluetooth first. Set a simple scan style so you see group and item scanning right away. This keeps things predictable while you configure actions and timing. Now configure the switches and scanning so you control flow precisely. You add a switch, choose its source, then assign an action like select or move. This defines what pressing does. Next, choose scanning style. Auto scans automatically. Manual requires you to advance. Adjust scan time to balance speed and accuracy. Create or edit recipes to map complex gestures into single switch presses. That reduces repeated motions. Make sure to test each assignment in an app to confirm the behavior matches your expectation. Finish by refining and testing so switch control fits real use. Walk through Home, Safari, and Messages. Tweak scan time, pause, and repeat until selection is smooth. Make small changes, then test again. This iterative approach prevents overcorrection. If something goes wrong, try a fast fix. Turn switch control off and on, restart the iPad, or repair the Bluetooth switch. If problems persist, reset switch control settings and rebuild simple assignments. That usually clears conflicts and restores predictable control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.